Hey, if you want to connect your Soundcore Space Q45 headphones with the two devices at the same time, first of all, on your main device, you have to be connected with the headphones and the application. Then go to the settings icon in the right upper corner and go to the device list. Now select this switcher to dual device connection, then click to switch. So we have to basically turn off the audio quality sound, the high quality sound, and switch to the stable connection. It will take around a few seconds. So now we can put this phone back. There we go. And to connect to the new device, we just have to click on this button. And now the headphones are going to the pairing mode. As you can see, the indicator is blinking. So now on the second device, in my case, I'm using this Pixel 7 Pro. So you have to go to the Bluetooth, then click to pair new device, and from available devices list select your Soundcore Space Q45. Then click pair, and now as you can see you are successfully connected with the two devices. And let's say that, for example, I want to disconnect them from this phone, so all I have to do is just to click on this button. And as you can see, after a few seconds I'm not connected anymore. And to get back this connection, just click on the switcher one more time. And right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.